Today, I'm going to fire alarm school. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, class. We are going to.
Miss Martin? Okay, I'm going to go to bathroom.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no. It's the fire alarm. Class. Let's check the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When they evacuated the school.
Okay, class. Is the fire alarm that goes off. Single fire.
Oh no! Where's Caillou?
Is that no one? Why is Caillou? Hey Sarah. Where is Caillou?
I know what did this. It was Caillou.
Caillou. Get over here right now.
What is it?
Caillou, it's the fire alarm. Get you to that?
Yes, I did.
Why would you to that?
Happy April Fool's Day.
Caillou, this is not very funny. That's it, I going to mute parents. Hello. Is this Caillou's parents speaking? It's your son Caillou, who allegedly pulled down the fire alarm switch, just for April Fool's Day. I am suspending him right now. Can you come pick him up? Thank you. I appreciate that. Bye. They're on there.
Caillou. How dare you fire alarm school? Look what you're done. That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to your room right now.
Wah!